One of the toughest parts about polyamory for me and for many people are the tough feelings that come up specifically when your partner is actively out exploring love, intimacy, even sex with someone else, especially overnight. Yeah, I remember those first overnights feeling way harder than the dates my husband was on where I knew he was coming home at the end. Now, part of the polyamorous journey is learning to self-soothe through these moments. But there are also beautiful co-creative ways to soothe your soul that will not only mitigate the fears that are coming up in you, but even deepen your connection to your partner. And that's why I created the course Rituals for Connection, helping polyamorous partners creatively foster security. Our fears, core wounds, insecurities, and attachment styles can all be triggered when our partners are out exploring with others, or even just in chapters of life where due to work or parenting where we just aren't connecting enough with our partners, even if it has nothing to do with polyamory. But together we can create rituals for connection to help us anchor into security and place aloe over those wounds. In my course, Rituals for Connection, you will learn my magical ritual recipe, which will teach you how to create rituals directly from your fears so that your insecurities are soothed and your connection to your partner is deepened, even while they explore love, sex, and intimacy with somebody else. This course comes with a downloadable and printable workbook to guide you and your partners through the process as many times as you'd like. You can even use the process to create beautiful rituals with yourself to practice self-soothing. Use code SOULALOE to receive 15% off Rituals for Connection through the month of March. Learn more at remodeledlove.com.